Hey, welcome to Space Tables. My name is Don. I wanted to give you a little tour of our production facility when it comes to our composite tables, which is also known as the Orlando collection. What's in my background right now is actually our spray booth. This is the booth where our composite tables, the Orlando collection, are actually fabricated. We do every one of those by hand. They're hand sprayed, and then they're also gel coated in this particular room. You can tell the predominant color this week was actually red. You get some remnants of yellow that was done earlier in the week. And these are the tables this week that we actually produced and manufactured for Disney. On the side here, we actually have one of our production Hooters tables in a rectangle, surfboard the way they like it in their color choices. And you can kind of see when they pop out of a mold, you kind of get this overspray, if you will, and then the actual texture of what the fiberglass looks like. So this is going to be cut off into the booth down to here where we have this easy grip edge that's on there, and then it'll be ready to go out to Hooters as well. Also, here's a little throwback to where all of our molds are. Hundreds of molds all ready and sitting to make you some tables. So let's go over to the booth and see what happens over there. All right, thanks for following me back over to the other side of the production area. You're joining me now in the booth. The booth is where we take those tables that we just popped out of the molds, and then we actually fabricate them a little bit more. What I mean by that is we're taking those particular tables, there's some overspray, and we actually add an extra lip out of that mold that has to be cut off, sanded down, and we get a finished table. If you ever deal with fiberglass, you can tell it truly is a messy business. It's a fine, itchy powder, if you will, that's part of the remnants of it. This is actually one of the tables that just got done. So this is a particular Disney table that's going out. What we do is, besides cutting off these bottoms down here, right, and making it smooth and fabricating that table with this easy grip edge, we also cut in a umbrella hole. And then we put the insert in and we put some adhesive on the inside of that. So this is what we do in the booth. Nice messy job to make sure that we get these tables done for you. I hear that they're actually doing some waxing on the other side of the wall. Let's go over there and take a peek. All right, thanks for joining us back. We just got out of that booth, right? So that's where those tables are actually popped out of the mold, taken over and get fabricated, where they're gonna be cut from the bottom for that easy grip handle. Then on the other side, we have Tang. He's out here doing some final polishing. He actually had the high-speed buffer on there just a second ago. Now he's making sure there's no imperfections and then we have a good shine on it. He does an excellent job at that. These are some of the tables that are all ready to go, have already been polished, about to be boxed and sent out to Disney in this case, with the red and the yellow. Then we have Andrew. He's finishing up some boxing. So we take those tables, we wrap them in plastic, put some spacers in, and then they're ready to get shipped out later on today. So nice, difficult process, but we turn out some fabulous tables. So Disney, thank you very much for the order, and everybody else, thanks for stopping in and visiting Space Tables.